island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. Welcome to the island of Sodor.
Would have been delivered on time if it was delivered by road.
Thomas and the Royal Engine.
Sir! Percy? Whatever is the matter?
Sorry, sir, but there's a very important letter we forgot to deliver to you.
I've seen this kind of letter before. But that was when we had a visit from the Queen.
Is she coming to see us again?
Who will be pulling her train?
Wait a minute. I've not read the letter yet. Her Majesty, the Queen, requests the company of Sir Topham Hatt, who is to receive a special award for his services to the railway. Oh. Please attend Buckingham Palace, London at 3 o'clock on Wednesday. But that's tomorrow.
Tomorrow? I must think so, sir.
All right, settle down now, please. There's more to read. Also, by request of the young prince, the engine that brings you to London must be Thomas the Tank Engine.
Thomas!
Sorry I'm late, sir. You see, a cow strayed on the line, and we had to... What? I'm not that late, am I?
Not at all, Thomas. In fact, I need you to have an early night, so you'll be ready for a very important trip tomorrow morning. We're off to meet the Queen! 1,
2, 3, 4!
Wow, Thomas! Look at you, all spick and span.
What I don't understand is why you, Thomas, were chosen and not me. I know the way to London after all, and have been there before, you know.
Not the station names again, Gordon.
I just wish they would make their minds up on what to call London Station. But that still doesn't answer my question. Why Thomas? He doesn't even know the way.
Because the young prince has specifically requested him, Gordon, and I must comply.
Topham,
Oh, hello, Mother.
have you got everything?
Yes, Mother.
Speech?
Yes, Mother.
Handkerchief?
Yes, I have everything.
And have you cleaned your ears?
Oh, Mother.
Stop moving about.
No, stop it.
Potatoes.
No, I'm fine.
There, told you.
Thank you, Mother. Okay, Thomas. Let's go. London calls.
Bye! Bye, everyone! See you! Bye-bye! So there we were, the two of us, all dressed up in our finery and heading to London to visit the Queen. What could possibly go wrong?
Your Majesty, I am honored to be here on this suspicious, no, bother, auspicious occasion. And it gives me great pleasure to receive this award on behalf of my railway and all those working on it. Ooh. Thomas? Are you sure this is the right way?
I think so, sir. I know I've seen this place before, but I can't seem to remember.
Oh, botheration.
Who goes there?
Beresford?
Hold on. Is that... It can't be. Is it? It is! It's my little friend Thomas. Oh, oh, look at you now.
My banner!
Banner? What do you need a banner for?
Oh, we're on our way to meet the Queen, and we're running a little behind.
Oh, Mr. La-di-da, eh? You certainly are going up in the world, my friend.
Well, you're not kidding. Please, Beresford, put me down. Gently, though. But first, I don't suppose you know the way to London?
Why, sure I know the way. Straight down those tracks and turn left at the next junction.
Thomas? What are you doing up there with that crane?
Sorry, sir. This is Beresford, and he was just...
Nice to meet you, Beresford, but we are in a hurry and cannot be held up. Yes, anyway, now, if you could put Thomas back down, please, we can get going again. There's not much time left.
Right.
Wow!
Now remember, it's left at the next junction.
Right.
No, left!
But...
You said right, whereas I said left, when really I was right and you were left with me. Oh, you got me in a muddle now.
I'd better be off now, Beresford. And, thanks for the directions.
Oh, right, old Thomas. Where's that left?
Oh. Right. Oh. Oh. London, here we come. This doesn't look right. Oh no! My other banner!
What's the matter, Thomas? Oh, my hat! Oh, my suit! What am I going to do? I'll have to hide it so Her Majesty doesn't see it. And all those working on it.
There's your hat, sir!
Thank you, ma'am.
maybe I should have taken the other track. Ouch! Oh. Okay. Uh-huh. We should be on the right tracks now, sir. And then we'll be home and dry.
Oh, no. I can't meet the Queen looking like this. Good heavens. What happened to you?
Well, we were just...
It's a long story. Could you tell me where I can get cleaned up? Certainly, sir. This way. And you'd better find a washdown too, Thomas. Hurry back now.
I wonder where we are. Oh, perhaps this is Crewe, where Henry went to be repaired. Oh, or maybe Doncaster, where Gordon was built. Or maybe it's...
And just what do you think you're doing with my coach, little tank engine?
Your coach? But this is my coach. Well, technically it's Spencer's,
Oh,
but
I can't waste time listening to your excuses. Now couple it up to me, and we'll forget all about it.
I think you'll find that this coach belongs to this engine, Duchess. Your coaches are being checked over in the carriage works.
Oh, right. Oh, I thought, carriage works, you say. Oh, yes. Oh, of course. Excuse me.
What a funny engine. Oh well. Where's that washdown? Aha! Now I can enjoy a good... Hey! Whoa! Oh, you again.
Oh, it's you. I'm sorry for what I said earlier. I thought you were taking one of my coaches, and I've very important passengers to collect, and it's my... Bless you. Oh, how rude of me. I should introduce myself. My name's Duchess. Duchess of Loughborough.
And mine's Thomas. Thomas of Sodor.
Now, where was I? Did I... But,
Are you all right?
No. What? Oh, no, there's still so much to be done. Getting cleaned, polished, finding my coaches, filling up with coal and water, getting polished, picking up my very important passengers. I'm sure I've forgotten something. Oh, did I say getting polished?
All done now, Your Grace.
What? Oh, thank you. And thank you for letting me go first, Thomas, of Sodor. Hi. Where are my coaches? Oh, I remember.
Oh, at last.
Sorry, mate. The water tank's empty. We'll need to refill again before we can wash you.
But... Oh.
Oh, I thought you went to the washdown, Thomas. You look worse than before.
I'm sorry, sir. There was a... delay.
There's another washdown further down the line, sir.
Oh, why don't I telephone them and let them know we're coming?
Oh, right you are. Come this way. I'll have to see about buying a new suit when we get to London, Thomas. At least my hat is still in one piece. What? Oh, my hat! Oh. Oh, no. 2 o'clock. We've got less than 1 hour to get to London. Thomas, we've got to get going!
But, sir, we have to wait! The firemen...
Later, Thomas. Let's go.
But, sir...
Now, Thomas, no!
Without my fireman, my driver had to do everything by himself. I was moving at a very slow pace.
Come on, Thomas. Can't you go any faster?
Yes, sir! I mean, oh, no, sir. Well, The thing is, sir, you wanted to leave so quickly, we left my fireman back at the station.
What? Oh dear, oh dear. Then I shall be your fireman.
What? But, sir, you'll get dirty.
You can't run a useful railway without getting your hands dirty now and then. What's more important is that we get to London on time. Right, hand me that shovel, my good man, and let's get going. We've no time to lose.
We were finally up to speed and making good progress. London, here we come! That looks like... It is!
Thomas! Oh!
Duchess!
Oh, I wasn't expecting to see you this soon, Thomas.
What happened to you?
Oh, Thomas, my safety valve, it's burst. That's what I forgot to check over before I collected my very important passengers. And now they will be late for their very important appointment in London.
London? But that's where I need to get to.
Thomas, that's perfect. If you push me, then I can guide you.
But Thomas, we haven't time to stop her now.
I can't just leave her here, sir. The Duchess knows her way to London. So that would be a big help to us.
A big, big help, sir. Oh, ever so useful help, sir.
Oh, very well then. But let's get a move on.
Now, are you sure you can push me and my heavy coaches?
Don't you worry about me. As I always say, little legends can do big things.
Yes, they certainly can. Thank you for helping me, Thomas of Sodor.
That's quite all right. Thank you for helping me.
Once my important passengers depart, let me show you to a washdown. That is, I mean, if you could give me a push.
Of course I will. No problem.
We made it! Only 5 minutes left. Oh, I just hope there's a tailor here at this station.
Thomas, do you know what train you've rescued?
A very heavy one.
It's the Royal Train.
What? I rescued what train?
Shh!
Mother, look! It's Thomas!
Sir Topham Hatt?
Your Majesty.
This is quite unexpected. Aren't you supposed to be at the palace for the ceremony?
My deepest apologies, ma'am. We had a bit of confusion and delay on our journey here.
Achoo!
So I see.
They were very kind, ma'am. And Thomas here helped to ensure we got here on time.
Is that true?
It was nothing really, Your Majesty.
Well, Sir Topham, from what my son has been reading in the books written about it, your Northwestern Railway is well known for helping out those in need.
Thank you, ma'am.
I've also
also heard about your travels around the world, Thomas. Visiting different countries and helping them learn more about the environment. That's the sort of work I'd like to do when I'm older.
Oh, thank you, Your Highness.
And now, Sir Topham, because we've already had so much confusion and delay, why don't we do the ceremony right here?
Here? But Your Majesty, I'm a mess.
And you got that way by proving yourself worthy of this special award for your services to the railway.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty.
And Thomas.
Oh, Mother, may I, please?
Oh, a splendid idea. Gallant Thomas, who went out of his way to help an engine in need, it is my pleasure to present to you a special crest, signifying to all that you have truly been, if you don't mind me saying, a royally useful engine.
Your ass. Fuck you! What the fuck?
You know what, motherfucker? Eat a dick. Go yourself.
No! Shut the fuck up! You need to shut the fuck up!
What the fuck? Am I stupid? And I should come there and punch you all in the fucking face on this fucking shit you sell me. You know, you motherfuckers.